In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Fibonacci retracement in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood Legend from the official Robinhood platform and enter your chart workspace, where your trading layout is already set up. Once your chart is visible, move your attention to the top center area of the screen where the main charting tools are displayed. In this section, look for the Fibonacci retracement tool among the available drawing and analysis icons. It may be grouped with other technical tools, so take a moment to locate it clearly on the toolbar. Once you find the Fibonacci retracement icon, click on it to activate the tool. After clicking, move your cursor over the chart and choose the area where you want to apply the Fibonacci levels. Click to set the first point, then drag and release to position the retracement on the desired price range. Once placed, the Fibonacci levels will automatically appear directly on your chart. You will now see the tool displayed over your price action, showing the retracement levels clearly on the screen. From here, you can adjust how the tool appears and behaves on your chart. Next, locate the Settings option for the Fibonacci retracement tool and click on Settings to open the customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, you will be able to adjust the appearance and configuration of the Fibonacci levels. This includes modifying how the lines and levels are displayed so they match your preferred chart setup. Make any changes you need within the Settings panel to refine the look and readability of the tool. Once you are finished, close the Settings panel to return to the main chart view. The Fibonacci retracement tool will remain active on your chart with all updated settings applied. You can continue analyzing price movement while keeping the tool visible for reference. That is how you add Fibonacci retracement in Robinhood Legend, place it on your chart, and customize it using the Settings menu.